everybody, and today, me and my mom are going to be opening up, pins, different Loungefly pins.
We have the Winnie the Pooh set. These are from Box Lunch.
And then there's the Baby Stitch one, and Dumbo, and the Hercules one.
Alright, we're looking for the whole set in the Winnie the Pooh set. So Maddie's got 3 boxes and I have 3 boxes. So we're going to see if we can get the whole set.
But we're mainly looking for the chase.
The chase, which is
Pooh
sitting down.
It's not funny when you get cut with a box.
Alright. No such luck on my first one. I got Eeyore.
And I got Tigger. And I also got a hand that's...
I will say, we pulled these out of a full carton. So there were 16 boxes in the carton. We pulled from the second and third row of the full carton. Well,
really
so far so good. At least no duplicates. I got Rabbit.
It like really stings. What? And I got Kanga and Roo.
So we really only have 2 left to find, and that's both the Poohs. Alright, let's see what I got here. I got Kanga.
And I got...
I hope it was recording the whole time. Alright, so we ended up with 2 Tiggers and 2 Kangas and Eeyore and Rabbit. Alright, Baby Stitch.
In the first box, cut my finger. It's literally right in between my fingers.
Alright, let's see.
I literally shoved my finger in the box and I cut myself.
I'm hoping for the one with Scrump.
Okay.
Alright, I got Stitch with Pacifier.
And I got Stitch with Scrump. It's so cute.
These ones we got from Hot Topic. They only had 4 boxes, so we got what they had. And I got Sleeping Stitch.
And I got the exact same one. Just making sure.
Alright, this is the chase challenge. We are only looking for the chase. We have all the rest of them.
I don't know what this one is.
Nope, Flying Dumbo on this one.
Whoa. Oh, never mind. And a flying Dumbo with his eyes closed.
So the chase still eludes us.
I don't remember getting that one though.
Alright, these Hercules boxes were $15.99. There's 2 in each box. 12 total. We just got 2 boxes on this one. kind of seeing what we can get.
What's the one we're looking for in this one? Just any of them?
Hades.
Oh.
What that guy's name is? I got this guy.
And I don't know who she is.
Is that Meg?
No.
You sure?
It's not her, Mom. She's
Okay.
a normal person. Not one of these people.
Okay. Looks like Meg to me.
But it isn't. Why would her skin be pink, Dad? I mean, Mom.
And one of the guardsmen, maybe?
I don't know who this guy is. It's just weird. I don't know who any of these people are.
Oh, we at least got 4 different ones. We did pretty good. I mean, had a couple of duplicates, but not too much. Alright, this is the last one. This is a plush bag clip. Options are Mickey, Minnie, Belle, Mrs. Potts, Snow White, Maleficent, Marie, Chip, Cheshire Cat, or it looks like probably Stitch, exclusive A and exclusive B. We're hoping for Chip.
I think it's Stitch and I forgot what the girl's name is, but she's pink.
Angel?
Yeah, Angel.
Well, we got Cheshire.
Cheshire.
Cheshire, as Maddie calls him.
Stop! I don't know how to pronounce his name. I mispronounce it all the time.
I know, you call him
Cheshire.
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 So,
Cheshire.
not too bad. I'll put them up for trade and sale on Disney Friendships and Collectibles on Facebook. Or you can comment below or email us if you're interested in any of them.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring that notification bell. See you guys next time. Bye.